What do you think?
Would the drugs stay with you?
I know. And number one is no deals. Get caught, no giving up. The mission was compromised. Moon got a call exposing me. He had a partner in the West. Even his father knew about it.
Whether that's true or not, it's irrelevant.
No, it isn't. The same person who set me up then has just set me up again to get Sal. So I'm going after him.
This is not working.
It's not working.
Along with my freedom.
It's supposed to work. Same as breathing into a bag, brown bag.